everyone. Hi, Cookie. I know it's a bath day today. You have to take a shower. But before that, you take some treats. I give you some treats. Be gentle. And my pepper pot. Sit down. Gentle. Good girl. Digby, you go inside now. Inside. Go. Go. Inside, please. You go and take a shower. Good boy. Cookie, you stay there first. Only 2 inside the bathroom, guys. Hindi kami kasya kung kaming lahat. Alright, so you stay there. And Cookie, you are the next. You wait for us, alright? Bye, Cookie. I will close the door. Okay, guys, here we are. This is the bathroom of our dogs. So, paliguan ka lang sila, guys. Dalawa lang ang nasa loob ng banyo na kasama ko kasi masikip ang banyo. Hindi kami kasyang 4. So, unahin ko si Digby. I don't know if you can see Digby here. And they are using like this. Yan guys, itong gamit nilang shampoo. And of course, they have this brush. So it's easy for me to clean them and brush their fur. I give them a bath 2 times a week. It's the schedule is Monday and Friday. No, Monday and Wednesday. Pero of course, basang-basa din si Inday kasi mga aso ang kasama ko. Okay, so almost there. Let us for the second time, is baby shampoo. They're using baby shampoo for their hair. Naubos yung conditioner nila, pero the same thing is conditioner nila is the Johnson as well. Pero naubos, hindi pa ako nakabili guys. So, for now, they just using the shampoo. There's no conditioner for the moment. But their hair, their fur, I should say, it's too soft and smooth, like a baby. Right, Digby? Right, Digby? So, that's all for Digby. Cute! May photoshoot. May mga photoshoot sila guys. Kaya maaga ko silang paliguan. May ang schedule ng photoshoot nila is 1 p.m. para ma-dry na yung fur nila bago ang photoshoot. See, ganon ang ka-spoil ang mga aso ng mga boss ko. So next is our one and only girl. Pepper Pot. As usual, Pepper, you're always good girl, right? Okay, so let's scrub your butt, clean your butt, and scrub your back, your face, your neck, and of course your stomach, your tummy. Guys, wala akong alagang bata guys, pero may mga alaga akong 3 aso na parang bata rin kasi kinakausap ko rin sila and they understand me. Kung utusan mo sila, naintindihan nila yan. Susunod sila guys. They are fully trained. Okay? Alright, so that's all for the 2. Now, boys, Vicky and Pepper, wait for me here. I'll take your towel. Stay. Sit. What do you do? Excuse me. You're not listening. Sit. Sit. No, they don't like to sit because it's crowded and they're excited to go out from this room now. So I'll take your towel first. Just stay here. Hi, Cookie. I'm back. I just got their towels. This is for Digby because he's a big dog. And this is for you. Come. Right. Did you see my Digby? Digby here. This is the Digby. Digby, clean your ears. Let me dry up your ears. Good boy. Dry your butt. Your stomach. Alright. Alright, so that's all for Digby. Now it's for Pepper. Pepper is small towel because he's small. Come, Pepper. Can you move a bit? Pepper, come here. Good girl. Good girl, Pepper. Smells good. Smells good. Okay, come here. Come here. Dry up your butt. So, yan. Dalawang aso nang tapos. Tawagin natin si Cookie. Cookie, your turn. Okay, sit. What do you do? Gentle. I told you to get gentle. Pepper, what do you do? Cookie there. Okay, this is my last dog. Alright, so that's all for a moment. Asan na ba yung... Where are you? Cookie, can you move? Don't stay on the corner. Stay. No. Just stay here. Stay. Good girl. Oh, I'm sorry, you're a boy. Good boy. Oh, guys, ganito. Para akong para akong naloloka. Pero actually, kinakausap namin mga aso namin. That's why. Actually, guys, aso mga yan. Pero they understand. They understand what we are saying. Cookie is our oldest dog. He is 11.5 years old. Right, Cookie? And he's quite special one because he doesn't like to take a shower with the cold water. It must be quite warm. Right. Matanda na eh, kaya ganun. Gusto niya yung medyo warm ang ano niya, ang tubig niya. Ganun din ang tao, right guys? Okay, okay. Basa din si Inday. Okay, come on. Masikip kasi ang toilet. Here they are. Hyper sila pag pagkaliligo. Lalo na si Digby at saka si Pepper. Ito is talagang magkapatid. Magkapatid sa ina. They are from Australian dog. Binili ng amo ko sa Australia. So, the same breeder. Pareho sila ng mother, magkaiba ng tatay. Digby at Pepper. Ganyan sila ka-hyper pag after ng bath nila. At yung isa naman, yung king of this house. King of this house, where are you? Where are you? Here you go! Cookie! Why don't you want to play with them? He is 11.5 years old. And usually he doesn't want to be playing. He doesn't want to play with them because they are so rough. But sometimes they're playing together and they have a plenty of toys. Look at that, guys. See? Para din ako may alagang bata, no? Ang dami nilang mga laruan. Yung mga bowl nila from from US to eh. Binili nila yung yung mga sungay. Sungay ng mga yan. Anong tawag dun? Anong yung mga sungay na yan? Kaninong sungay? Cookie, that is yours. Is that yours, Cookie? Look at it too. Look at them. Ganyan, parang parang isa lang ang laruan nila. Ganyan. Basang-basa sila, guys. Pero it's okay. It's okay. Mayaya naman eh. Asan na si Pepper? Look at Pepper. Under the table. Tinago niya yung Tinago niya yung bone kay Digby. Digby, find your own. Your bone is there. Alam nyo guys, hindi namin sila brushan. Yan yung nila, pinaka-brush nila, yung bone. What are you doing too? Digby? Digby? Digby, you can find your own toy. And that is. Look at that. Pepper. Ang hyper niya. Oops, aray! Binangga niyo ako, Cookie. Cookie? You're a good boy, right, Cookie? Ayan. Ito yung bed niya. Bed ni Cookie yan. Special. Our king of the house. Cookie! So, hindi pa tapos yung dalawa. Yan. Sige, magpagod kayo. Magpakapagod kayo. Tulog na sila mamaya. Ganyan. Wala akong bata, guys, pero tingnan nyo naman. Ang kalat ng mga toys. Yan. Meron din dyan. Okay. Ito yung mga toys nila. Napakarami. At saka ito yung Murphy. Aso ng amo ko na I think yung unang aso niya yan. Si Murphy. Okay, so boys, are you done? Digby, are you done? That's enough. That's enough. See? What's wrong? What do you do? Stop it. See, madali lang silang kausap, guys. Digby? What do you do? Hindi sila nakikinig. Wait. Diggs, where are you going? Sige, napaka-obedient niya, oh. Good girl, Pepper. And this is... Ito kasi, guys, kaya napapansin nyo, nasa likod ko lang siya. Kasi kung nasaan ako, nandun din siya, guys. Kasi nga, di ba, ito yung alaga ko noon sa unang amo ko na puti. Pero nag-move sila sa Qatar. Hindi kami sinama. Gusto nila kami isama pero hindi ako sumama sa Middle East. So, iniwan kami ng dating amo ko. Kasama ko yan. Kaya attached siya sa akin, guys. Every morning, pag nagigising na yan, kasi usually naglalakad ng dalawang aso ko na malalaki is yung amo ko na lalaki pag morning para exercise din yan. So, pag mag-isa lang siya sa baba, pupuntahan niya ako sa kwarto ko, guys, si Cookie. Pupuntahan niya ako yan. Ilalakad ko na rin siya, ganun. Attached din siya sa akin kasi nga kaming magkasama since 2013. Si Cookie, ayan si Digby. Pagod na. At sa kasi, eto na siya. Ay, mang-agaw ka na naman. Ayan. Ayan na si Cookie, nagtututbrush na. Ayan. Continue. I love you, Cookie. Pogi niya, oh. Pogi, oh. Pogi, oh. Ito yung dalawa. Oh, ituloy ko. Si Cookie, ito pala. Aso ko. Aso ng unang amo ko ng puti. So, nung nag-move out sila here in Singapore, pumunta sa Qatar, gusto nila akong isama, pero hindi ako sumama. So, sila din ang tumulong sa akin na mahanap ang amo ko ngayon. At the same time, dalawa kaming inampon. Ako at saka si Cookie, kasi iniwan nila si Cookie dito sa Singapore. So, I'll stay with them. And Cookie before was crying because he was alone. Usually, they are two before. Ay, meron din dalawang aso ko din po ang nalaga sa unang amo ko. Kaso yung isa, dinala nila kasi yung isa is from Switzerland. Switzerland yun. Pero si Digby is
si Cookie, not Digby.
So, naiwan siya dito nung nag-for good yung mga unang amo ko. At lumipat ako sa mga amo ko ngayon. Through my previous employer, sila din ang naghanap kasi kaibigan nila. So, si Cookie before, umiiyak siya kasi nasanay siyang may kasama. So, bumili sila sa Australia ng the same breed, Labrador na pure. Yun si Digby. Yun si Digby, guys. Then, after that, actually, last year lang, naisipan na naman nila na bumili ng pangatlong aso namin. Ito siya, si Pepper Pot. Yan si Digby, yung malaki. Malaking brown. We have 3 colors of Labradors. One is the vanilla color, And the second one is the chocolate Labrador color, that is Digby, and the black one. We call it Pepper because she is black. Pepper is black, right? So, yan. Yan yung mga aso ko, guys. So, salamat for watching. I-flash ko yung mga ano nila, yung mga ibang what do you call that? Yung mga pictures ng mga aso ko. Panoorin nyo, napaka-social nila, guys. Kasi super spoiled ang mga aso ko, guys. Kasi walang anak ng mga amo ko. So, ganun sila ka-spoiled. Parang may alaga din akong bata dito sa bahay. Kasi minsan, nagagalit ako mag-isa. Pinapagalitan ko yung mga aso. Nakatanga lang sila sa akin. Nakatingin lang sila sa akin, guys. Yan, napakabait niyan. Mabait talaga ang cookie ko. And also these two, they are very... Ayan na, napagod natin. Yan, yung isa naman. Yan, nangungulit. Now, magbabrush na siya. Pepper, where's your bone? Find your bone. Go and take your own. Cookie, where's your ball? His favorite toys is ball. Cookie, where's your ball? Antok na siya. Antok na si Cookie. See? Tingnan mo, kulit itong magkapatid. Lalo na si Pepper. See? Ang daming mga bone nila, pero nanyo nangaagaw. Ang cute nila, guys, no? Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Ito yung mga alaga ko, si DP, Pepper, and Cookie. Thanks for watching. Yan, antok na ang king of the house. Ganyan siya, oh. Ganyan, bait-bait niya. Cookie. Ang ganda ng bed niya, guys. Yan is for him. Niregalo ng kaibigan ng amo ko. Yung dalawa, they're still busy there. Walang kapaguran. Ganyan yung magkapatid. Yan yung mga toys nila. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And goodbye. God bless you all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button para updated kayo sa mga next videos.